Direct replacement. This windshield wiper arm cover is designed to match the fit and function of the original cover on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. This cover is made to fully restore appearance and functionality after the original part fails. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Dorman's windshield wiper arm covers are engineered from high-quality materials to cover the wiper arm bolts, protecting them from rust and corrosion. The covers help your wipers look like new again. Top reviews from the United States. 2014 GMC Acadia, fast install. The cover came off at some point and I wanted to block water from getting at the bolt and damaging the bearing. This cover snapped on and looks identical to the OEM one on the other side. Installation takes about 2 seconds.